In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you taboo. What is taboo? What are the different types of taboo? Listeners and audience, taboo refers to a word, phrase, or a topic that is considered inappropriate, offensive, or sensitive in certain social context. Taboo language should be avoided in polite conversation because it creates embarrassment, discomfort, and also sometimes it is insult for others. Listeners and audience, there are so many types of taboo like profanity, obscenity, derogatory language, and some sensitive topics. Whenever we are talking about profanity, profanity includes words that are related to swearing or cursing others or cursing someone. Connected to this, when we are talking about obscenity, obscenity means the use of such words which create embarrassment, discomfort for human. For example, talking about the any creature private parts. So that is discomfort or obscenity and sometimes embarrassment for others. So it should be avoided. Similarly, the use of derogatory language. Derogatory language means those words which demean other creatures, other generations, particularly to discriminate someone or talking about a particular or a specific race. And we also have another aspect of this, and this is known as some sensitive topic or sensitive topic. Sensitive topics means talking about the serious illness of someone, the death of someone, and such words which can be a source of discomfort or a source of uh, discomfort and hurt of someone. So hope that now you know about taboo, that what is taboo and how it should be recognized and what are the different types of taboo.